Hello Titans, this is Mr. Granlund here, and I want to go through some of the notification settings that might help you stay on top of things inside of Schoology. So I'm on my phone, obviously. I've logged into Schoology, and I go to the top left button to get my settings, and I go to the notifications bell. Now inside of the notifications bell, I have all of my notifications here that are internal to Schoology, but I can also change these by going to Account Settings. Now inside my account settings, I can click on the tab that says Notifications. Now these notifications are going to be sent directly to your email, and you can also get notifications sent to your phone via text message. The ones you'll primarily want to change are the ones in the academic area. So course comments on updates, assignments, or discussions. You may want to turn that on. And that means it's going to send you either a text or an email anytime something in the course comments, updates, assignments, or discussions changes. You can also set it to custom, and that allows you to choose which classes you get notifications from. So for instance, if you're in a homeroom class, you may not want updates from your homeroom, but you're probably not going to get updates from your homeroom. Course updates posted, I would definitely choose to turn that one on. If you're having difficulty knowing whether or not you've turned something in, you may want to do an assignment submission notification. When course content is created, I would turn that one on. And if course materials are overdue, I'd also turn that notification on. Now, if you want to send notifications to your phone via text message, you're going to click there, type in the correct information, and then you can set mobile. All right, Titans, I hope that keeps you well informed, up to date, and turning good work into your teachers. So have a great Titan day.